I want you to focus very closely on that watch. Just look at it as it swings back and forth. And already you can feel your eyes getting heavier as you watch it swing back and forth. And with each swing of that watch, you can feel yourself drifting down into trance. Back and forth. Heavier and heavier, you feel yourself drifting down, back and forth, so warm and relaxed, drifting down, back and forth, your eyes closing down as you drift down, down, down. Just feel yourself drifting down into a deep, hypnotic sleep.